This is DocBeam, the document layer for Webflow agencies. Here's the problem it fixes. Client sends version 2 of the brochure. You upload it to Webflow, and every link you already published quietly breaks. So you host it somewhere else. S3, Dropbox, a Drive folder. A different system for every client just to keep one link alive. The problem isn't the link. It's that the file was never really yours. DocBeam gives every Webflow site its own document library with its own plan and its own storage. Webflow caps documents at 10 megabytes, images at 4. DocBeam starts at 50 on the free plan and goes all the way to 2 gigabytes. And it lives right inside the designer. Drop in a file Webflow would reject, copy the link, and paste it straight into your button. Serve every file from your client's own domain. Their brand on the link, not ours, and not Webflow's. Files go out over Cloudflare's edge, close to whoever's downloading them. And not one byte counts against Webflow's bandwidth. DocBeam shows you exactly how much bandwidth you never spent and what it would have cost you. Replace a file and the URL never changes. Every button and embed keeps working, even if the site gets renamed or handed to another agency. DocBeam, one library, every client site.